This is now what your advanced financial management paper looks like. There are two sections, section A and section B. Section A is 50 marks, 40 technical marks, and 10 professional marks. Section B is two questions of 25 marks each, 20 technical marks, and 5 marks for professional skills. In section A, what we have is, so section A is a slightly longer case study which will involve calculations, it will involve interpretation, making judgments, and it's a slightly longer question which might cover multiple syllabus areas. For example, a question in section A will cover risk management and investment appraisal together, plus theory from some other sources of finance maybe. Section B questions, on the other hand, are localized in the sense, if a question is on risk management, it is only on risk management. If a question is on internal reconstruction, it is only on that. तो वहाँ पे around 12 to 13 marks का numerical, 7 to 8 marks का theory. That is the split. And in section A, you will find say 25 to 28 marks का numerical, 12 to 15 marks का theory part. That is usually the split. Now, one feature of the ACCA exams, apart from SBR, is that there is an emphasis on something known as professional skills. Now, there are 5 professional skills, so to say, 4 if we were to club the two of them together. There are 4 skills that ACCA needs you to be good with. What are these? Now, there is communication, then there is, so with communication, it's about presentation, language, appearance, and following the instructions and all of that. Skepticism is your ability to challenge and critically examine the data given to you. Analysis and evaluation is more about investigation, going deeper, comparing points, investment appraisal, so on and so forth. Commercial acumen is basically having a good business sense. Now, what do all of these skills entail? How do you score marks relating to these skills? That is something, which we'll come to maybe after a month, not right away. The time allowed is 3 hours 15 minutes. The total marks are 100, and if you need to clear, you need to get a score of 50. Question 1 in section A tests all the 4 skills. Section B question usually tests 2 skills, any 2 skills, not communication. Communication is tested only in section A and not in section B. Analysis and evaluation is tested in all the 3 questions. Okay. Now, what topics or what areas are there in our syllabus? Syllabus area A, role of senior financial advisor in a multinational organization. Basically, from a strategy perspective, what is the role of the finance director? How do you formulate the financing policies? What are the ethical and governance issues, aspects of international trade, strategic business decisions, and dividend policy? Syllabus area B is advanced investment appraisal, where we will cover the basics of investment appraisal that were covered in skill level, and then we'll cover concepts of adjusted present value, concept of real options, value at risk, and other aspects of risk when it comes to investment appraisal specifically. Syllabus area C is mergers and acquisition, which will involve a good mix of theory and numerical both. Syllabus area D is corporate failure, internal reconstruction. Syllabus area E is treasury and advanced risk management. Okay, so these are your 5 syllabus areas. Every paper will have something or the other tested from advanced investment appraisal and syllabus area E, which is risk management. Other topics are, मतलब कभी M&A आएगा, कभी corporate failure आएगा, कभी dividend आएगा. Different topics can be tested, but investment appraisal and risk management is there in all the papers. ठीक है. Now we will, for those who have 9 paper exemptions, don't worry, we'll be starting right from the basics. So our first focus will be understanding time value of money, and we'll take the discussion ahead from there. And then of course, we'll follow it up with investment appraisal, move on to business valuation, then cover mergers acquisition, corporate failure, and end में we'll take up risk management. ठीक है. In the Google Drive, I'll also add the latest Kaplan kit so that you can download the material there and keep it with you.